Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled The Transformer, the AI engine that reads and writes like never before. Intro. Have you ever used ChatGPT or seen AI write text that sounds eerily human? The Transformer is the core engine making all of that magic happen. It's the groundbreaking technology that allows AI to understand and generate human language with incredible fluency. For developers, understanding the Transformer is like knowing how the internet works. It's fundamental to building the next generation of AI applications. Think of it as the powerful brain behind AI's ability to read, write, and converse. Before the Transformer, AI struggled with language, especially long sentences or complex paragraphs. Old methods, like recurrent neural networks, RNNs, processed words one by one, sequentially. Imagine trying to understand a long story by only remembering the very last word you read. You'd easily lose context from the beginning. This made AI slow and bad at connecting ideas that were far apart in a sentence or document. It was like trying to build a complex structure by laying one brick at a time, perfectly in order, but easily forgetting about bricks laid much earlier. The Transformer's big innovation is attention. Instead of reading words one by one, attention allows the AI to look at all words in a sentence simultaneously and decide which words are most important for understanding the current word. Think of it like a super fast reader who can instantly scan an entire paragraph and highlight the key words that give context to the specific word they're currently trying to understand. This means the AI can make connections between words no matter how far apart they are, overcoming the forgetfulness of older models. At a high level, the Transformer has two main parts: an encoder and a decoder. 1. Encoder takes your input, e.g., an English sentence. It uses attention to read and deeply understand every word in the context of all other words in that sentence. It essentially creates a rich mental summary, or representation of the input's meaning. 2. Decoder takes that mental summary from the encoder and generates the output, e.g., a French translation, or a follow-up sentence. It also uses attention to focus on relevant parts of the input's mental summary, and what it has already generated to create the next best word. It's like a brilliant human translator who first fully comprehends the original text, then uses that deep understanding to craft the perfect translation. The Transformer isn't just theory. It's the foundation for incredible tools you can use today. Smart chatbots and AI assistants, powering conversational AI like ChatGPT. Advanced language translation, far more accurate and natural translations. Text summarization, condensing long articles into concise points. Code generation and completion, helping you write code faster and with fewer errors. Creative writing, generating stories, poems, or marketing copy. As a developer, you typically don't build transformers from scratch. Instead, you'll use powerful pre-trained models via APIs, like OpenAI's, or fine-tune existing models with your own specific data to customize them for your unique applications. Two major reasons why transformers are a game-changer. 1. Parallel processing. Thanks to attention, the transformer can process many parts of a sentence simultaneously, not just one word at a time. This is vastly faster for training and generating text. Imagine a whole team reading a book together, sharing insights instantly, rather than one person reading it cover to cover alone. 2. Handling long sequences. It can effectively understand and remember connections between words even across very long sentences or paragraphs. This ability to maintain context over long distances is crucial for complex language tasks and is a key reason why large language models, LLMs, can generate coherent, extended responses. The transformer is more than just a fancy algorithm. It's the architectural blueprint behind the AI advancements we see every day. For developers, understanding its core concepts unlocks a world of possibilities for building intelligent applications. This introductory lesson has laid the groundwork, explaining what it is and why it's revolutionary. In future lessons, we'll dive deeper into specific components like self-attention, how data is prepared, and even explore hands-on examples of how to interact with and utilize these powerful models in your code. Get ready to build some amazing things. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.